He entered the exam hall with confidence, but he didn't know a single answer.
Joke begins.
I sat down, looked at the paper, and smiled. Why? Because I knew. Nothing that I glanced at the guy next to me. He was writing like Shakespeare on Red Bull. I whispered, "Bro, number 5? He whispered back, "Do it yourself." Then the topper girl sneezed. ACHO, and the entire class flipped to page 3. I did too. Suddenly I realized sneezes were code. Next sneeze, sure. Everyone circled option B. Me? I followed every sneeze like a soldier on a mission. And guess what? I passed with honors because apparently I'm allergic to studying.